In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Task KPI dashboard on GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize your dashboard so it highlights the task metrics that matter most to your team, all in one clear view. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account. Make sure you're in the correct location or workspace and that you have permission to edit dashboards. From the left-hand sidebar, open the dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll visualize performance at a glance. If you manage multiple pipelines or teams, double-check the selected location and date range so the data you'll see later reflects the right scope. Now, switch into editing mode by choosing Edit Dashboard. This unlocks the builder tools and lets you fine-tune layout and content without affecting live data. If you don't see the option, confirm your access level or try expanding the sidebar so all options are visible. Next, open Widgets. Think of widgets as the building blocks of your dashboard. Each widget surfaces a specific data point or chart. For task KPIs, these can represent counts, trends, or comparisons tied to task activity. As you explore, picture where each widget should live on the canvas to keep the most important insights like completions and overdue items near the top. Then, open Elements. Elements help you structure and label your dashboard so it's easy to understand at a glance. Titles, separators, and descriptions provide context for the widgets you'll use. A clear label like Task Performance or Weekly Task Trend makes it effortless for anyone on your team to know what they're looking at. Move on to Themes. Themes control the visual style across your dashboard, colors, fonts, and contrast. Choose a look that keeps numbers readable and consistent. High contrast is helpful for dense KPI layouts, and a unified theme ensures every widget feels part of the same story. Open Custom Metrics next. This is where you'll configure the KPIs that reflect how your team works. Common task-focused metrics include tasks created, completed, overdue, and completion rate. Use labels that are crystal clear, align them to your team's definitions, and confirm each metric pulls from the correct data source and time frame so your numbers stay trustworthy. Finally, select Save Changes. This publishes your layout and settings. Give the dashboard a quick refresh to confirm everything looks right. If something seems off, review filters, date ranges, and metric definitions, then return to Edit Dashboard to refine. That's it. With these steps, your task KPI dashboard in GoHighLevel is set up to deliver clear, actionable insights every day.